Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So, if the light on your Hampton Bay ceiling fan has burned out, replacing the bulb might seem simple, but many people get confused because different models have different covers, fixtures, and access methods. Some fans have glass covers that twist off, while others use screws or clips, which can make the process feel tricky if you're not sure how to open it safely. Once you understand how to access the bulb, the replacement itself is quick and easy. So, in this video, I'll guide you through the exact steps to replace the light bulb on your Hampton Bay ceiling fan safely and correctly. To try these. Step 1. Turn off the power to the fan from the switch or breaker. Step 2. Remove the light cover by twisting or unscrewing it carefully. Step 3. Take out the old bulb by unscrewing it gently. Step 4. Insert a new compatible bulb into the socket. Step 5. Reattach the light cover securely. Step 6. Turn the power back on and test the light.